This is where Daddy is. Working hard. There's a freeway over there. Can't quite read what it says. Auburn and Lakeside. Those are cities here in New York. Not too far over that overbridge there is the lake. And then in here is the workplace, TV, all my junk, beds. But I thought you might like to see where I am. Maybe tomorrow I'll do one of these with a shopping place and a place where there's all this stuff that I'm picking up. Okay? Daddy loves you. Bye.